Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Rihania AI Bali. I am 15 years old and a student of Rehan School in batch 5. Today we will do call-in session on the topic sky. So let's begin with Maya.
Yo, what's cooking?
Hey Maya, how are you?
Doing all right. A little glitchy with that audio just now, but all good. You? What's on your mind today?
All good. And today I will ask you some interesting questions on the topic sky. And my first question to you is, what color is the sky on the clear sunny day?
Gotcha. Well, most people would say blue, right?
Yeah.
But it's actually a bit more complicated than that. It's scattering of sunlight, shorter wavelengths like blue and violet get scattered more, which is why we see a blue sky. But honestly, sometimes it looks kind of purpley to me.
Yeah,
What do
water
you
light.
think?
Water light.
Water like water? Ah, you mean it's kind of obvious, huh? Got it.
No, no,
Sometimes
not
this.
about that. Not about that. That's about that. So my next question to you is, what makes the sky look
All right,
blue?
shoot.
What
Okay,
make
so
what make the sky
we were
blue?
okay. Let's try this again.
Okay,
The
my
sky looks
question.
blue because of. Okay, you good? Sounded like a little stumble there.
Yeah,
Everything all right?
yeah. My question
Okay,
is,
cool.
can you hear me? My question is, what's the color? Oh,
Hold up, that got.
make what make the sky look blue?
Okay, we're getting there. It's called Rayleigh scattering. Basically, when sunlight hits the Earth's atmosphere, the blue light gets scattered more than other colors because it travels as shorter, smaller waves. It's scattered blue light is what
Yeah.
we see. It's kind of like if you threw a bunch of tiny balls and big balls at a bumpy surface, the tiny ones would bounce around everywhere, right? Same idea. Does that make sense?
Yes. So my next question to you is, what do we call the white shape we see floating in the sky?
Ah, you mean like fluffy things? We
Yep.
call those clouds. Though there are a lot of different kinds of clouds, depending on how high up they are and what they're made of. But yeah, generally, clouds. Anything specific about them you're curious about?
Yeah. So what appears in the sky at night?
At night? Hmm. Most often, stars and the moon, of course.
Okay.
Sometimes planets are visible too, depending on where everything is lined up. What were you thinking of?
Okay.
Sometimes people see satellites or even shooting stars.
Yeah.
Anything come to mind?
So my next question to you: what gives us light and warmth from the sky?
Okay, that's the sun. Gives us light and warmth during the day. Yeah. Essential stuff. Anything else about the sun you're wondering?
No. What do we see in the sky after it raining and the sun shines?
Ah, you mean after the rain stops and the sun comes out? That's a rainbow. It happens when sunlight shines through raindrops. It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah. My next question to you is, what do we call the gray clouds that became rain?
Gray clouds that become what you cut out there for a sec. Did you mean what they become
My
when they
question
get.
is, what do we call the gray clouds that bring rain?
Okay, gotcha. Those are usually called rain clouds, or more specifically, nimbostratus clouds. They're kind of dark and flat looking. Not as fluffy as those white ones we were talking about before. You know, the ones that look like cotton candy?
Yeah. My next question to you is, what flies in the sky and has wings?
That's a pretty broad one. Birds, mostly, but also airplanes, insects,
Okay, so
even bats.
what is the name of the bright object we see at the night that changes shape?
Ooh, good one. You're talking about the moon. It goes through different phases, like a crescent, full moon, half moon. That's why it looks like it's changing shape.
Okay,
It's all about how much of the sunlit side we can see from Earth. You're on
okay.
a roll with these sky questions. What's next?
What do we call tiny light we see in the night sky?
Hmm. Tiny lights at night. You mean like twinkling stars? Or are you thinking of something else? The video part is throwing me off a bit.
Okay, so my next question to you: what happens to the sky when the sun sets?
When the sun sets, the sky starts to change colors. You get oranges, pinks, purples, reds.
Okay, what do
It's
we
really pretty.
what we do call the study of stars and planets in the sky?
That's called astronomy. It's the scientific study of everything in space,
Okay, so
stars, planets, galaxies.
my next question to you is: what is the closest star of Earth to Earth?
To Earth is the sun. I
Okay,
know it seems obvious, but it's true.
my
After the
next
sun,
my next question to you is: what do we call the path airplanes travel through in the sky?
it's a good one. Those are called flight paths or air routes. Pilots follow specific routes to get where they're going safely and efficiently.
Okay,
You
so
sometimes can even see them as faint streaks in the sky.
okay,
All right, bring it.
my next question to you is: what is another word for the sky or outer space?
Hmm. Another word for the sky or outer space. Heaven's works, or you could say the cosmos, both kind of have that vast, mysterious feel to them, right?
Okay, so my next question to you: what happened to the sky when it's about to storm?
Whoa, hold on. What happened to this fly one? Are you referring to something that happened earlier in our conversation? I'm a little lost. What prompts are
Okay,
you referring
Maya.
to? Could you clarify?
Oh, okay, Maya.
I want to make sure I'm following you.
The time is
Are you
up.
switching topics?
The time is up. My laptop's gonna
The time
have a
is.
problem, so
You're about
I'll
to.
see you soon. So guys, this is our call-in session in which we discuss about sky, and sorry for that because this session would be so short. My computer has, uh, my laptop has have a problem about that. So I'll see you soon in the next call-in session. Allah Hafiz.